We've all been there, right? You're staring at an unexpected bill, or maybe that perfect sale item just popped up, and you think, Beforepay to the rescue. You go through the quick application, feeling a sense of relief, only to be met with that dreaded message, unable to approve your order. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, a bit deflating. So, what exactly is happening behind the scenes when Beforepay can't give you the green light? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Beforepay is designed to do. It's not a loan in the traditional sense, nor is it a credit card. Instead, it offers a cash advance from your upcoming paycheck. This distinction is crucial because it informs their approval process. They're essentially giving you early access to money you've already earned, or are about to earn, which means their primary focus is on your income stability and your ability to repay that specific advance when your paycheck lands. One of the most common reasons for a denied order is insufficient recent income or irregular pay cycles. Beforepay's algorithm is looking for consistent, predictable income patterns. If your income has recently decreased, or if you're paid irregularly, e.g., highly variable freelance income, or significant gaps between paychecks, their system might flag this as a higher risk. They need to be confident that when your next payday arrives, there will be enough funds to cover the advance and their fee. Think of it this way: if your last few paychecks have been significantly lower than your average, or if there's been a long gap since your last deposit, Beforepay might interpret this as a potential difficulty in repayment. Another significant factor is your repayment history with Beforepay itself. Have you used their service before? And if so, did you repay your previous advances on time? Every successful, on-time repayment builds a positive history with them, increasing your chances of future approvals. Conversely, late repayments or defaults will negatively impact your eligibility. They're essentially assessing your reliability as a customer. If you've had trouble repaying in the past, their system will understandably be more cautious about extending another advance. Then there's the big one: existing financial commitments and what Beforepay refers to as affordability. While they're not a credit agency, they do have sophisticated algorithms that analyze your bank transactions. They're looking at your incoming funds, but they're also looking at your outgoing expenses. If your bank account shows a high number of direct debits, multiple existing loan repayments, or frequent overdrafts, it might indicate that a new advance could strain your financial situation further. Beforepay's goal isn't to push you into more debt, it's to provide a temporary bridge. If their analysis suggests that adding an advance might make your financial situation precarious, they're likely to decline the request to protect both you and themselves. It's also important to remember that Beforepay has internal lending criteria that are constantly evolving. These criteria are proprietary and can be adjusted based on economic conditions, their risk appetite, and their analysis of repayment trends. So, what might have been approved a few months ago might not be today, even if your personal circumstances haven't changed drastically. This isn't about you personally, it's about their broader risk assessment. Finally, technical glitches can sometimes play a role, though less frequently. Ensuring your banking details are correct and your bank account is properly linked is crucial. If there's an issue with the data flow from your bank, Beforepay's system won't have the information it needs to make an accurate assessment. Understanding these factors can help you troubleshoot why your Beforepay order might have been denied. It's often not a rejection of you, but rather a reflection of their algorithm's assessment of your current financial snapshot and their internal lending guidelines. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.